The shout-out breakdown. Understanding the phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to dive into the popular English phrase, shout out. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. A shout-out is a term that originally comes from radio and television broadcasts. It's a way for the host or speaker to give a special mention or acknowledgement to someone. Often, it's used to show appreciation, highlight someone's achievements, or simply send a friendly greeting. For instance, a radio DJ might say, "I want to give a shout-out to Sarah from New York who requested this next song." In this case, the DJ is giving Sarah special recognition. While its origins are in broadcasting, shout-out is now widely used in everyday language. Here are a few examples. 1. I want to give a shout-out to my team for doing such a great job on the project. 2. A big shout-out to all the volunteers who made the event possible. 3. Hey, can I give a shout-out to my sister? It's her birthday today. In these examples, shout-out is used to highlight, appreciate, or acknowledge someone's effort, presence, or special occasion. You might also come across variations of the phrase. 1. Big shout-out. This is just a more emphasized version of shout out. It's like saying a huge thank you or major recognition. 2. Shouts to. This is a more casual, abbreviated form, often used among younger generations or in online chats. For example, shouts to Jake for helping me move last weekend. So, the next time you want to recognize someone, show your appreciation, or simply send a friendly mention, you now have the perfect phrase to use. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the meaning and usage of shout out. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a native speaker. Thanks for tuning in.